black, red, does it matter? When it comes to Ethernet cables, the color you choose won't boost your internet speed, but it can save you a ton of headaches. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub for all the tech news. If you've ever plugged a PC or laptop into a router, you've used Ethernet, the wired lifeline that often blows Wi-Fi out of the window for speed and reliability. But take a look at your cables and you might notice a rainbow of colors, especially blue. Despite what some might think, blue cable doesn't mean it's faster or better than the black one running next to it. In reality, color is purely for organization. In offices, server rooms, and industrial setups, it's a lifesaver. Blue might indicate regular devices, red for admin systems, white for special connections. With dozens of cables running side by side, these visual cues keep techs peeps from taking out the wrong wire during troubleshooting. When it comes to real speed and performance, the cables category matters way more than the color. Cat 5e supports up to 1 Gbps, Cat 6 and 7 go higher, and Cat 8 can hit a blistering 40 Gbps. Shielded cables fend off electromagnetic interference, while unshielded ones are flexible and easier to install. For most home setups, a simple Cat 5e or Cat 6 cable is more than enough, but stepping up to Cat 8 can future-proof your network. Affordable options like the Green Cat 8 10-foot cable give high speeds without breaking the bank. So next time you're shopping for Ethernet cables, don't stress over color, focus on category, shielding, and length. Your internet speed depends on tech, not fashion. Did you find this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.